Good morning. My name's Chris Brown from Morgans Financial. We're here at the Noosa Mining and Exploration Conference in late November, pushed back from the third week in July. And next year, after the COVID-19 regulations are lifted, it will be at the third week in July. With me is Malcolm Norris, the Managing Director of Sunstone, which is exploring in Ecuador for major copper gold projects. Malcolm, can you tell us what's the current focus of your exploration?
Yeah, so the current focus of our exploration is we're actively drilling, and we're drilling what's called an intermediate sulfidation epithermal system. So we're drilling a silver, gold, lead zinc target. But in parallel with that, we're still exploring for large gold copper porphyries, and we'll be starting one of those holes between now and the end of the year.
So what's the next news that's going to come out for Sunstone?
Well, we were hoping to have some assays to be released for this conference, but they're a little bit delayed. So we're expecting those during November. And that will be for the first 5 holes that are put into the what we call the Espiritu target. So it'll be epithermal gold-silver type numbers coming out of that, we hope. We've got another at least 7 holes planned on that target. We're drilling at the moment. We're seeing enough encouragement in the drill core to continue drilling prior to receipt of assays.
And has the COVID-19 regulations had any impact in Ecuador for your exploration?
Well, we did have a close down period from the middle of March through to the end of June when there was no activity. But then we resumed activity in a staged manner. And we've actually got a very well controlled site now. So our team are fully back on site. They're working in a fly in, fly out, or drive in, drive out type arrangement. They're very comfortable with the tight controls we've got. Our drilling contractor is very comfortable with the tight controls. So we're back to normal in Ecuador, apart from our inability to travel from Australia. But the Ecuadorian team are doing a good job.
And Malcolm, you're a relatively small company. Money's always tight for junior resources. What's it like for you?
Yeah, now we're in a very good position. We've got a couple of $1 million in cash in the bank, but we've also got a totally liquid equity position in Copperstone Resources, Swedish company, after we sold them our Viscaria asset. And that's currently valued at $18 million. So we can leverage off that to fund a lot of work in Ecuador. We've recently picked up a second project in Ecuador. So, we're trying to build a presence and make discoveries in Ecuador.
Thanks, Malcolm. The Noosa conference this year is a hybrid conference. There are people here, but it's also online. And Malcolm spoke earlier. There's a full Sunstone presentation on the conference. If you're interested in copper gold, and most people ought to be in this market, then go to the Noosa conference website and listen to the full presentation. Thanks very much, Malcolm.
Thanks, Chris.